At ABC Hawaiʻi, we believe building Hawaii's future starts with developing people, one skilled craft professional at a time. Across our state, the construction industry offers meaningful career pathways that combine education, hands-on training, and real opportunity. Through registered apprenticeship programs in essential trades such as carpentry, electrical, plumbing, painting, and roofing, students and emerging workers can explore careers that support Hawaii's communities and economy. These apprenticeship pathways are registered with the U.S. Department of Labor and meet all federal and state requirements, ensuring high standards, structured training, and real-world experience. Apprentices earn a living while they're learning, gaining paid on-the-job experience while developing the skills employers need today and in the future. Classroom instruction is paired with full-time employment, allowing apprentices to apply what they learn directly to the work they do every day. This earn-while-you-learn model helps participants build confidence, financial stability, and a clear sense of purpose as they progress toward journey-level careers. Upon completion, apprentices earn recognized credentials through organizations such as the National Center for Construction Education and Research and the Hawaii Department of Labor and Industrial Relations. Credentials that reflect both education and real-world experience. For students, parents, and counselors, these programs represent more than training. They represent opportunity, stability, and a pathway to careers where individuals can learn, earn, and contribute at the same time. By supporting education, skill development, and workforce readiness, we are building Hawaii together, strengthening our communities today while preparing the next generation for tomorrow. ABC Hawaiʻi is proud to support students as they explore career pathways that align with their interests, talents, and long-term goals.